welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids147. It's getting colder again, can you tell? I've got my cardi on. So I'm going to be kitting up a painting today for one of my daughters. My two eldest, Megan and Carys, are going to Cornwall for a week, and they both decided to take a sort of small diamond painting in case they want to do some in some downtime in the caravan and stuff while they're there. So I'm going to do this one. This one is for Carys. It was got quite a while ago. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure. It was got ages ago. It's just been in with sort of Megan's supplies. She sort of keeps all her diamond paintings separate, and that includes the odd one that the others are having. So all the diamonds are here. They have been cut separately to fit in my little pouch. Now I just sort of wrap them up. This was when I first did it. So I do want to sort out and do it by number. And the reason being is I'm doing them in these little 28 containers. The idea is that, you know, it's kept small and compact for them, just because caravans don't have that much room, do they really? So I want to keep it small and compact, but I do want to also try and get all of the diamonds in these pots. And there may be some that don't fit into just one pot and they need to go into a second. We get a little bin. So we do have 27 colours on this one, which is quite a lot. And this is only a 28 container. So I'm kind of hoping that there's not too many that go over, but having a look at the white, that might actually need more than 2 spots. So we'll see how we go. What have we got? That's a 6, 16. I haven't found them easy, so I'm just breaking them down into those that begin with a 10 or a 1, those that begin with a 2, and then I'll pull out those that are less than 10. That's a 20, that's a 20, that's an 8, a 9, 27, 7, 5, 23, 26, 3, 12 and 11. Okay, so number 3 next. I have already done the labels in the style that they like. So having the symbol bigger, followed by the DMC number, because no doubt I'll be pass these back as and when they're completed to put the spare diamonds away, which is normally the way. But hey, that's another video for you guys, is it not? So number 4. Most of these seem quite thin packets actually, apart from the white, but I don't think I'm going to get them all into the extra 2 boxes. I think she might have to take an extra bag with her. Suppose it could be worse. Okay, number 5. Oh, that looks like that is a 310. So number 5. These are all, they don't have DMC numbers on the actual packets. They just have numbers 1 to whatever. And they're all done by weight. So of course this packet has a lot less in than the next one, which is part of the red for Spiderman. Spiderman has a lot of shading. Oh, I need number 7 first, which is purple. Oh, that means number 8, which is a big bag, is going to be on the end. We'll have to see how this fits. Maybe maybe she's just going to have to take extra bags. So number 8 is A, or the symbol A. Let's see how many fit in. Please fit in. You're not going to. Definitely not going to. Okay, are there any others that look fuller? Only the white. It's only the white that there's extra of. So what I'm going to do, because it's going into another pot, and this one is going to be used, or this one is being done by Carys, who doesn't diamond paint as much. So she doesn't do as much diamond paint as Megan. She's done a couple. I'm going to actually label up the pot again, even though it's the same symbol, because I don't think she will automatically know that that one is the same as that one on that side. So I'm covering my bases. Make sure that she knows which one it is. If it was next to it, I think she would have known straight up, and I could tell her. But I think it's just easier to just kit it up for her, because not only are they just, you know, taking it to Cornwall and they may or may not do it, there is also the possibility that they won't get to touch it, or they won't get to finish it. Very much that they won't get to finish it, because after all, they're there on holiday. Their cousins and a couple of their aunties and uncles are also there. So I don't think they're going to get to finish a diamond painting. And because of that, this could then be a few months down the line before she gets to do any more. And it's easier to forget what Mama told you if there's been a couple of months in between. So we'll just cover all bases. And because the symbols aren't the same numbers as what's on the package yet, I am just cross-referencing the symbol with the guide on the side of the painting, just down here, so that I can make sure I'm not kitting it up wrong, because that could be very entertaining. There's also one of those pesky fruit flies flying about in here. I don't know what it is this year, but fruit flies, there are loads of them. I've seen loads of comments about people having to deal with fruit flies. I mean, we still only have the odd one or two that buzz about, but I've definitely noticed them a lot more than previous years. I don't know if it's just the season. Well, I say the season. It's supposedly, you know, getting to the end of British summer. I don't know how much of a summer we've had. We had a mini heat wave and that was it, pretty much. So I don't know if it's been the fluctuations in the weather that's caused us to have loads of fruit flies or not. But they're definitely a lot more than we normally see. Right, please all fit in. I haven't got any more spare boxes. Oh, you're not going to, are you? Oh. Okay. Let's go for these bags then. I'm gonna do both still. So this is J, because then no matter whether she references the DMC number or the symbol, she'll know which diamond she needs. So let's see how much mess I can make now. That's those in. I think I need to tip just a few of those in. And then the ones that fell all over the desk. Any more for any more? They're done. So we'll make that J. Not the way I wanted to kit it up, but sometimes you have to deal with it on the fly. So K is 819 and K is number 16, which I should have known because it's the only pale pink here until we get in pinks higher up. Okay, L. I could have potentially sent her with 2 tubs, but I still think that is going to take more space than it needs to. I think a couple of extra bags, hopefully only a couple of extra bags, will be easier for her to transport. L. Then we've got N, which is number 18. Trust it to have so many colours, and so many of them you hardly need anything. There's so many of these pots that are only half full because it's just got another shade of red or pink. I suppose you should just be glad it's got a lot of shading in it. Megan's painting has even more white on it. Okay, number P, which is number 20. Okay, let me move those white out the way because that's the last one anyway. I think it's only going to be the white we're going to have to bag up afterwards because it's not all going to fit in the pot. S, which is number 21. There it is, my dark brown. Okay, it's now got warm under these lights, so let me ditch the cardie. On and off. That cardie has been on and off all day. I can't make my mind up whether it's warm or cold. I really can't. Heating's not gone on yet though, so it can't be that cold. I suppose there is that to think about. It's when the heating goes on that you know it's cold. U, 23. Nearly there. And then we get to fight with the white. So that's 23. Last strip, we've got V, which is number 24. Now, I did ask them whether they wanted the clear cover changing to the likes of cover papers or not. But for the sake of packing it in the car and not having to think about whether the painting, you know, whether the cover sheets will get pulled off in any way, they're going to keep the clear one on, but take a cover paper holder with some cover papers in, so they can just add them when they're in the caravan if they want to, if they even get round to doing it. I think it's partly a pipe dream that they might even get some done. Okay, so the last one is Y. Let's create another label for this because I know I'm going to have to put some more in. 3865. Pen all over myself. Beautiful. Let me get a bag prepped and ready. Okay, it's open. And let's see how, well, get it fairly full. There's no point in getting it over full. And then tip the rest in here. And of course I didn't open it up enough, didn't cut a fat enough corner off. So that's that one. And then I am just going to open all of these because there's no point in messing about with trying to get in them. They may as well just all go in here. And hopefully they'll all fit in here. We'll see. I do still have another blue sticker left, so I can label up another one if I need to. I think it's going to be full, but I think we might be alright. Though I said that before with one of the reds. Will it shut? It will. So we've got a very, very full bag of white. Put the symbol on there so she knows which one it is. And then I do have another book ring. So I have a few different book rings that I can use for multiple projects. So we'll put the 2 on a book ring just because it's harder to lose. 2 on a book ring. Everything has got DMC numbers, the lot, all symboled up, ready. Got a canvas ready. We'll see if it comes back with any on it. I'll try and let you know in a whip and chat. Probably be a couple of weeks away from now whether they did actually get any of it done. But I hope you've enjoyed this little mini kitting up of a project ready for one of my girls to maybe get some diamond painting done. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.